Replacing or installing new windows in your home may seem like a straightforward project, but many Coppell homeowners underestimate the value of professional window installation. While DIY solutions may appear cost-effective upfront, the long-term benefits of hiring experienced installers can far outweigh the savings. From energy efficiency to long-term durability, let's uncover the hidden benefits of trusting professionals for your window installation project in Coppell. Precision and expertise. Professional installers bring a level of expertise that only comes with experience. Windows must be precisely measured and installed to fit perfectly within your home's unique structural framework. Improper alignment can lead to air leaks, water infiltration, and poor insulation. In a climate like Coppell's, where hot summers and unpredictable weather are common, even small errors can significantly impact your comfort and energy bills. Certified professionals are trained to recognize subtle imperfections in the framing and ensure the window fits tightly and securely. Their precision minimizes drafts and ensures seamless functionality. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most overlooked benefits of professional installation is its effect on energy efficiency. Even the most advanced energy-efficient windows can underperform if installed improperly. Professional installers use weather-resistant sealing techniques, insulation materials, and proper alignment methods to ensure maximum performance. For Coppell homeowners, this means lower cooling costs in the scorching Texas summers and a more consistent indoor temperature year-round. Your HVAC system won't have to work as hard to keep your home comfortable, which translates into monthly savings. Enhanced curb appeal and resale value. Your windows are not only functional but also a key design element of your home. A poorly installed window can look misaligned, unfinished, or simply off-putting from the street. When done professionally, window installation enhances your home's curb appeal by ensuring clean lines, balanced proportions, and a polished appearance. This is especially important if you plan to sell your home in the future. Homes in Coppell with updated, professionally installed windows are more attractive to potential buyers and often fetch higher resale values. They also signal to buyers that the home has been well maintained and upgraded thoughtfully. Time and convenience. Let's face it, window installation is a complex job that requires the right tools, skills, and attention to detail. For homeowners juggling work, family, and other responsibilities, the time and effort saved by hiring a professional is a major advantage. A trained crew can complete your window installation quickly and efficiently, often in a single day, depending on the size of the project. This means minimal disruption to your daily routine and no lingering unfinished tasks. Proper disposal and cleanup. After removing old windows, there's usually debris, dust, and broken materials to clean up. Professional window installers handle all aspects of the job, including disposing of old windows, cleaning the workspace, and leaving your home looking better than before. No mess, no stress. Warranty protection and peace of mind. The most high-quality window products come with manufacturer warranties. But did you know improper installation can void your warranty? Hiring a certified professional ensures that your new windows are installed according to the manufacturer's specifications, keeping your warranty intact. Additionally, many professional installers in Coppell offer labor warranties on their work, giving you extra peace of mind. If anything goes wrong after the installation, you'll be covered without added expense. Conclusion: quality you can count on. Window installation might not seem like a glamorous upgrade, but the results speak for themselves, especially when done professionally. From energy savings and enhanced appearance to warranty protection and increased home value, the benefits are hard to ignore. If you're considering new windows for your Coppell home, trust the experts to get the job done right. With professional window installation, you're not just investing in your home's appearance, you're investing in its performance, comfort, and long-term value.